People have been asking, can we create Gantt charts with PowerPoint? Yes, that's exactly what I want to show you in this video. With Excel, you can create Gantt charts, but of course we know that the king of Gantt charts is Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project allows you to build your project, and then you can now build your Gantt charts and export your visualization and reports even to PowerPoint to make presentations. By the way, we have a course in project we're starting very soon, and it's dedicated for health professionals. We actually have a general course for project, but this particular course is only for health professionals, where we're going to teach how to practically manage and report health projects or health related projects. Here I'm going to just show you, what if you do not have your project built and you just need something very simple as part of your presentation. That's exactly what I'm going to show you. But by the way, let's see how it looks like here. So this is how it is. You can see 2022 urban health project for Lagos State, and you see the registration, orientation down to assessment. So let's see how to about it. First of all, we're going to insert a new slide, Ctrl M on the keyboard. We'll go to insert. From insert, we click on charts. From charts, we go to the bar chart. I'm going to use a stacked bar chart. I'll click OK. Normally, PowerPoint will always open the charts sheet in PowerPoint that allows you to enter data for your charts, but I have my data in Excel. So I have the task, I have the start date, and I have the duration in days. So I'll just copy these, I'll go over to PowerPoint and I'll click and paste just like what I have here. Then I do not need this, I'll just click to delete. I'll close that. I'll go over to my PowerPoint and have my chart. So I'm going to be taking off some chart elements here, like the chart title is not needed. I'll depend on the slide title. I do not need the legend that shows the start date and the days. I don't need that, but I rather want to just take off the major grid lines and then work with the minor grid lines for the horizontal and vertical. So you see what I have here. One observation here, my task is actually starting from bottom, so you can see assessment TP2, TP1, whereas it's supposed to be registration, orientation. So how am I going to do that? I'll just open the vertical axis options. Okay, you can right click and click on format axis, or you can as well double click to have that option. So from there, I'll click on categories in reverse order, and you can see that has actually been arrested. Now I'm going to take off the bars that represent the date, so I'll just click on it once. I'll go to the format. From format, under the fill color, I'll make it no fill color, so you see exactly what I have here. Now, but there's a problem here. You can see that my Gantt chart is actually starting from 27 August, but if we paid attention to my data here, it actually started from 19th of September. So how am I going to solve that problem? Now in Excel, dates are just made up of serial numbers. Like Excel just converts serial numbers to dates. So for us to have that, I'll just come down here and choose the general format, and that reveals the numbers that made up that particular date. So you see it's 44